How to remove side-loaded apps from TV. Are you tired of seeing broken apps on your TV screen? Is your storage full of apps that just will not open? It is very frustrating when you cannot find a delete button. Today, I will show you how to remove these apps forever. You do not need to be an expert. You can fix this easily from home right now. You can easily clean up your TV right from your couch. Just follow my lead. You will have a clean home screen in just a few minutes. If you have any trouble, please leave a comment. I will reply within 1 hour. That is my promise. Please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your support helps us create more guides like this for you. Let us get started with the first solution. Let us begin with Android TV and Google TV. Screen recording footage should appear now. Go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps. This menu lists every single app on your system. Find the Sideloaded app you want to remove. Select the app from the list to see the options. Now, select Uninstall and click OK. The app is now completely gone from your system memory. Now, for Amazon Fire TV devices, screen recording footage should appear now. Go to Settings, then go to Applications. Then go to Manage Installed Applications. This is where your side-loaded apps live. Find your app in the list and select it. Then select Uninstall and click Confirm. It is a very simple process. If you cannot find an app in Settings, you might need a sideload launcher. This happens with certain AIPK files. Go to the Play Store or App Store. Search for a sideload launcher. Open it to see every hidden app on your device. Highlight the app you want to delete and follow the prompts on your screen. It reveals everything. If an app will not delete, try clearing its cache first. This often fixes the error that blocks the uninstall. Go to Settings, then go to Apps, then select the problematic app, select Clear Cache, and then select Clear Data. Try to uninstall again. If it fails, restart your TV. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Power, then select Restart. If nothing else works, a factory reset is your last resort. This will delete every app, so please use it with caution. Your TV should now be clean and fast again. You have successfully fixed the issue yourself. Great job. Stay tuned to TechVibes for more professional troubleshooting tips. Thank you for watching our guide today. Goodbye.